Hi, welcome back. So we're gonna do a bunch of videos on food, cooking, things in the kitchen. So if you look in the description of each of these videos, you'll see a list of the signs, so you can jump between videos if there's a specific sign that you're looking for, okay? In this video, we're gonna focus on two things. Some of the furniture that's in the kitchen, as well as some of the dishes, right? Some of the dishes and utensils that are in the kitchen, okay? Let's go. Bowl. Bowl. You're gonna take two hands, you're cupping them together, and you're drawing them up. That's what a bowl looks like, a bowl. How about a cup? Take a C hand like this, a flat hand here, cup. Cup, can you see that? I'll turn that, cup, right? How about a glass? Not to be confused with a cup. A glass is a glass. Think about your teeth. This is an older sign, but glass. Glass. Not quite as hard as the next, but as if you're pointing and you're looking at touching your teeth. Glass. Glass. You'll see I'm not actually touching it, but glass. All right, how about plate? A plate's an interesting one. We're going to introduce a concept called classifiers, which we'll talk about later on in some additional videos. You can have a plate that's this size or a plate that's this size. It's still the same sign. So when you assign plate, plate, and you're approximating the size of the plate that you're looking for. Now, some restaurants, for example, that, an all you can eat, can you eat this piece of steak kind of a thing, they may have plates like this, right? So there's a plate, and the sign itself expands or contracts based on the size of the plate that you're talking about, all right? How about this? Fork. Fork. Take a V. And you're going to put it just like this, right inside your non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so my non-dominant hand, fork, fork. How about a spoon? Imagine a bowl with some soup in it, a spoon. You've got your two hands like this, and they're slightly bent, and you're bringing that up to your lips, a spoon. All right, spoon, we're going pretty quick. Spoon. All right, how about a knife? Knife. Knife. Two hands like H's. Okay? Knife. Now, knives can be sharp. That middle finger, as if you were touching it, got cut. You had a knife, and that knife is sharp. The middle finger is touching that non-dominant hand and coming off that sign, sharp. Right, it is sharp, and you're going to see, right, if you're trying to really accentuate it, again, the facial expression, the eyes, ooh, sharp, even the sharp with the mouth there to indicate how sharp that really was, okay? So that's bowl, cup, glass, plate, remember, classifiers we're talking about a little later, and how big that plate is, fork, spoon, knife, and sharp. Okay, all right, let's move over to some of the furniture. We have a table, table, the dominant hand on the top, table. You have a chair, right? You're taking both hands like this, like an X, but the fingers are apart, and you sit, right? So a chair, a chair. And in a kitchen, by the way, a kitchen, most folks assign it like this, K's. You cook, K, kitchen. Now, some people will assign kitchen, the cooking room. Cooking room, kitchen. I'll say it again, if somebody else signs it a certain way, best thing you can do is somebody's learning to sign, got it. Add that into your vocabulary for the preferred way to sign that thing. All right, so we had cook, bake, imagine you've got a tray. Here's the top of the oven, bake. Bake, let me kind of show you this on the side. Bake, bake. All right, how about microwave? Not exactly a chef's instrument, but microwave, boom. All right, you're gonna take a hand, a quick release of the fingers, trying to mimic microwave raise. You'll also see this, a box with a microwave oven. Okay, microwave, and then boil, you're simulating the bubbles. right? Boil or boil, right? Just imagine those bubbles popping, right? Boil or boil, right? Let's review. Table, chair, cook, let me remind you, kitchen, bake, just as if it goes in that oven, bake, microwave, and boil. All right, let's practice a few sentences, all right? What would you like your cereal in? Oh, all right, can I have a bowl for my cereal? All right, oh, I'd like a glass or a cup, depending on what you're after, of orange juice. We'll talk about that more later, all right? Please, can I have a fork? Please, could you give me a fork? Okay, a fork. Or I need a knife. Oh, please would you give me a knife? A knife. You might indicate where to sit. Oh, would you sit over there? Okay, you're going to point to that chair is yours. That chair is yours. Do you prefer your vegetables microwaved or boiled? How about that one? All right. Do you prefer your vegetables, it's a V off the cheek right here, a little lower. Do you prefer your vegetables microwaved or boiled? Question mark. All right, there's our first video on kitchen and signs. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.